Welcome! If you want to give another admin the power to pin messages in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. With the latest update, managing admin permissions is easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, look through your chat list and open the group where you are an admin. This is important, as only admins can change these settings. At the top of your group chat, you'll see the group's name. Click on it to open the group's profile page. Here, you'll find all the essential information about your group, including members, settings, and permissions. Next, look for the edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or similar symbol, and click on it. This will take you to the group's settings menu, where you can manage everything from group info to permissions. In the settings menu, find and select the section labeled Administrators. This is where you can see all the current admins of your group. Scroll through the list and click on the admin you want to grant the ability to pin messages. A new window will open, showing all the permissions available for that admin. Look for the option called Pin Messages. If it's not already enabled, simply click the toggle or checkbox next to it to turn it on. Once you've enabled pin messages for that admin, don't forget to click Save. This will apply the new permission instantly, allowing the selected admin to pin important messages for everyone in the group to see. That's it. You've successfully allowed another admin to pin messages in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. This feature is perfect for keeping important announcements, rules, or updates visible to all group members. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for managing your Telegram groups and making the most out of its latest features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.